Hello. We were looking back through some of the pictures of this 1920s Craftsman bungalow remodel and realized that I hadn't put anything in here about the spray foam insulation. When we got this house, it had vermiculite insulation poured into the walls. These houses are what they refer to as a balloon type construction, so they just poured this insulation in between the walls and the studs when they were done. It leaves a lot of open spaces, and it's just not a real good way of insulating. So when we got the house, we decided to tear all the outside cold walls down to the studs and do some insulation. We had Schmidt Construction of West Point, Iowa come and do the insulating. We've had them here several times on this project, and they do a wonderful job. They come and give you a quote. They do the job. It's exactly what the quote is. It has been for 3 times now. They clean up when they're done, and they've just been a wonderful company to work with, and I kind of wanted to highlight that. They're not paying me anything to say that, just to let you know. I'll put a link in the comments down below. If anybody has any need for their services in the tri-state area of Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, I would highly suggest these guys. They do a great job. We've had them here 3 times. These are just a few pictures of the garage that was in the house. We knew we were going to have to live in this garage for at least 1 winter when we were doing this house. It didn't have any insulation in it. We called these guys. They gave us a quote. They did the insulation on the ceiling, tightened it up in there, made it very comfortable, made that feasible for us. And again, it was right on the quote. Second time we had them here, we had worked on the outside of the house, the cold walls on the outside walls. They came and sprayed those walls, did a wonderful job again, did exactly what they said. They were here quick. This is a really nice thing to do in an old home like this. It really tightens them up, makes them nice and comfortable. As far as we were going with this house, we decided that this was the best route for us, and honestly it was only a few $100s more than it would have been to painstakingly cut in and put insulation in the walls. It's 2 before construction, so there's only so much insulation you can do, and for the money we felt that this was the best way to go. And then the 3rd time we had them here, there was a cold spaces. The cold spaces in the attic. I just stripped the old insulation off. They came in and spray foamed it in, and around the bedroom. An unbelievable difference in how warm the floors feel when these guys do this and are done. Just a way more comfortable situation when they're done. So that's our little video on spray foam insulation. It was a very good situation for us. It worked really well. And thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.